Hey, it's Steve Zanardo with Trevisa Realty. We're back at Verdana Village, Lennar Homes. We're at the Wynwood model. This is their largest collection in the Verdana Village. Let's have a quick look at this home. You'll love it. And welcome to the Wynwood model. This is a Lennar home, under 4,000 square feet, 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom. It's an amazing open concept layout. Let's have a look. This is your family room, and again, you got another roll-away door into the outdoor area here. I'll just open, just kind of do a quick demonstration. So these will roll out, not into the wall, but at least 3 panels will roll into one. So this is great for outdoor living naturally, and this is a huge covered lanai, and obviously we have our screen lanai here. So awesome, so let's get back in the house here, and this is our living space. So huge open concept, everything's off these narrow straights here. You got your family room area, that's obviously got access to your outdoor living space, your dining area here, and kind of like this area, because this is your massive kitchen, and you got a huge island. This is about 10-foot island, and you can utilize this as your everyday eating area or even just entertaining space. Off the sides here, we're not going to go in there because that's where the Lennar's office is, but there's the access to the laundry room and the 3-car garage. This is cool, like you got your office right off the kitchen here, and what's great too is when the doors are open, you still have a view of the lake view and also the pool, so it's not like you're stuck in your office without a view. This model is a 5-bedroom, so what we have here is another bedroom on the main floor, and this is naturally really good for guests or family members coming in that are elder that need to stay on the main floor, so they'll have access to the patio and the pool area, and it's a full out. It's basically like a secondary primary room. You got your walk-in closet and a large ensuite bathroom here. It's a really cool model, very Floridian in the design. So let's have a look upstairs. And this is a great area. When you're walking in your house, you have this open to above here. It really opens up the space quite well, because a lot of the builders will close this off and make this a little bit more dark, but this is great. You have a lot of light coming in through this open to above. And as we walk up the stairs, you're gonna walk right into the loft area. And again, for us Canadians back home, this would be considered your basement. So this is just a chill area, secondary family room. Quite a large space, and I like it because you walk right into it, and all the bedrooms are on either side of this. So come with me, we'll have a look at these bedrooms off to the ascent here. So 3 bedrooms off. I mean, I guess you can have a look in there. They're all pretty standard rooms, all good size with the closets. None of them have a walk-in. They're all nicely proportioned. So there's 2 bathrooms to this wing. So there's 3 bedrooms off to this side with 2 bathrooms that will feed these 3 bedrooms. Again, just through the loft. And this is your primary bedroom here. So this is ginormous. So you get 2 walk-in closets, his and hers. And your master bedroom, quite a large size. I really like that these windows are at a higher level, because if you got to put furniture underneath, it's not going to be a hassle. It's actually a really good planning idea. Tray ceilings, like really nice. This is your primary bathroom. Yeah, so great. You got double sink. You got a private water closet off the end here. What's amazing too is the shower. It's ginormous. You know, it's literally 4 feet wide by at least 6 feet or 8 or 7 feet deep. The thing is, it needs to be more utilized. I think you got a lot of options here. Hopefully the builder can help you customize this, because this would be great to either create a steam shower or some sort of spa experience, because you definitely have the space in here. That's pretty much it, guys. That's a tour of the Wynwood model here at Lennar. We're gonna get you on the next one. Have a great day.